The next panel we'll explore here is the Transform panel. Go ahead and expand it by clicking on this arrow here. Before we start on the Transform panel, we'll need to open another image. Please go ahead and open image LA003.jpg. Although it's hard to tell, the building here is not perfectly straight. If we click the Auto option, Lightroom will automatically try to correct this issue. If we take a look at the before and after, you can see that Lightroom did make an adjustment to the alignment based on the buildings in this image. Alternatively, we can also specify what type of correction we'd like to apply, whether it be level, vertical, or full. Level is used to straighten an image along the horizontal plane. The vertical will straighten along the vertical plane. Full will attempt to straighten along both horizontal and vertical planes. To provide a better illustration of this concept, I'll switch to another image. When taking this type of image, it's common for a building to look skewed based on the position of the camera. This is especially true if the image is taken from a low angle with the camera pointing upward. To straighten the building, we can use the vertical button. You can see that the building is now straightened rather than skewed. The vertical and horizontal sliders are used to change the perspective of the image. Here's an example. Additionally, we can rotate an image. We can change the aspect ratio of the image. We can scale the image. We can also shift the X and Y offset. And we've worked with constrained crop before, so you know that it gets rid of the white space when you make certain types of adjustments. For example, if I were to change the aspect ratio, it adds a bit of white space below the image. So I'll just click Constrain Crop and it'll get rid of that white space. For the purpose of the next lecture, we'll need to load a new image. Open image fall001.jpg in your Develop module.